Hello students, today we are going to start the chapter number 17. Chapter name is means of communication. First of all, I tell you what is communication. Communication is the sharing or exchange of ideas. Okay, so now you see here I'm sending to you information and you are receiving. Okay, that is the communication. So means of communication means modes or the types of communication. So means of communication make this world very fast. So people are closely related to each other, means with the help of means of communication. So with the help of means of communications, peoples live in touch with each other. Okay, so progress in science and technology. Progress means betterment or to move forward, means with the betterment in the science and the technology has brought many rapid changes. Okay, rapid means in short time or a quick or a fast changes in our daily life. So man's knowledge has helped him to make great advancement in science and technology. Advancement means improvement, means with the knowledge of man. Okay, so there is an improvement in the science and technology. So in the last 50 years there have been many changes in the communication in the transport etc. Means in the last 50 years there have been many changes in the communication and the transport. So we have already learned various methods of communication like a postal service, telephones, mobiles, television, newspaper, fax, internet, etc. We have already learned about these methods of communications like postal service. Postal service is a service which send mails like letters, parcels to from one place to another place. Telephone, mobiles, television, newspaper, fax, internet, etc. And in this class we learn more about some of these methods of communication. So in this class we will learn, in this chapter we will learn more about this. So first of all, communication. Sound reaches our ears by traveling through ear. So in this paragraph we will read how means sound reaches our ears by traveling through air, means air is the medium, okay, for the sound. So for about 100 years man knew that air acts as a medium for a sounds to travel. Okay, so for about 100 years man knew that air acts as a medium, air is a medium for sound to travel. So Guglielmo Marconi was the pioneer of a radio communication. Pioneer means who is the first person to research about the radio communication. Here it is the given the time period of the Guglielmo Marconi. So in 1901 he transmitted radio signals across the Atlantic Ocean. So uh, he transmitted radio signals, okay, across the Atlantic Ocean. Since then until about a decade ago, since then until about a decade ago, decade means a period of 10 years ago, means before radio signals could be transmitted by only at the radio stations, means a period of 10 years ago radio signals could be transmitted means sent only at the radio stations. The telephone, which had been invented by the Alexander Graham Bell, so in 1876 used wires to connect telephone, means he used wires to connect telephones. So now cell phone, also called the mobile phone, uses airwaves to carry sound, means now cell phones, also called the mobile phones, used airwaves to carry sounds, means there is we don't use any wire. Okay, so these are uses airwaves to carry sound. So mobile phones can be carried anywhere and we can talk also in moving condition. You see mobile phones you can carry it anywhere and you can carry anywhere and we can talk also in moving conditions. So they are small in size nowadays. You see the mobile phones are small in size. They have a more than one function. They have many functions like a voice recorder, video recorder, camera, music player, etc. So nowadays it is also a very cheap means of communication, means cheap means low in price. So that is one paisa per second. Its price is 1 paisa per second. Now come to the mass communication. The means of mass communications are television, newspaper, radio, cinema, etc. So these are the mass communication: television, newspaper, radio, cinema. Many changes have affected these means of communication as well. Many changes affected these means of communication as well. So newspaper has now more information content from across the oceans and continents and other remote areas.